Although not mandatory, you may want to start by removing the carpeted panel mounted on the left side of the transmission tunnel. There's one Phillips head screw that holds the panel in place. Once the screw is removed, slide the panel towards the back of the vehicle while also pulling the panel downwards to pull it out of the way. Under the driver's side of the dashboard, there is a black cover held on by 3 Phillips screws, green arrows, and 3 trim panel clips. Twist the fasteners 90 degrees and pull them out and remove the screws. The panel should drop down out of your way except for the gong speaker. Pull the trim panel down to expose the speaker, green arrow. Squeeze in the 2 tabs on each side of the white electrical connector to unplug it. It may be stiff and you have to wiggle it out. Repeat the same procedures on the black connector. On the left side of the steering column, lever off the wood trim panel with a plastic pry tool. Carefully lever off the wood trim on the right side of the steering column, using care not to damage the wiring to the electrical switch. Squeeze the electrical connector, green arrow, and pull it straight out to unplug the cruise control switch. Remove the Phillips head screw, green arrow, on the right side of the column. Remove the 2 Phillips head screws, green arrow, that need to be removed on the left side of the column. Remove the rubber cap, then the Phillips head screw on the side of the dash. Remove the Phillips head screw from the lower right corner of the lower panel. The screw may stay in the panel. With a plastic pry tool, lever off the flexible cover under the column. It is held on with 5 plastic rivets, 1 on each side and 3 on the bottom. You can now pull the lower dash panel out of the way. This is all you need to do. Installation is the reverse of removal. If you want to access deeper into the dash, then continue with the following steps. To remove the protective knee bolster, remove the 3 10mm bolts, green arrows, that hold the bolster to the dash frame. The bolts are recessed in holes in the knee bolster, so you're going to need an extension to access them. You will need to remove the 2 Phillips head screws, green arrows, that secure the OBD2 connector to the knee bolster. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.